Buying your first home is one of the most exciting milestones in life, but it can also feel very overwhelming. Where do you start? How do you avoid costly mistakes? And how do you make sure you're getting the best home for your budget? Hi, I'm Darcy Downey, a first-time home buyer specialist with Trilliant Real Estate Group. At Trilliant, we believe that buying a home should be more than just a transaction. It should be an extraordinary experience. Our mission is to make every step seamless, informed, and client-focused. So today, I'm walking you through everything you need to know as a first-time homebuyer in Central Alberta. Let's get started. The very first step in your home buying journey is getting pre-approved for a mortgage. Why? Because knowing what you can afford helps set clear expectations and ensures you're shopping for homes within your budget. A lender will look at your income, credit score, and debts to determine how much they're willing to lend you. And trust me, getting pre-approved makes your offers much stronger when the right home comes along. If you don't have a lender yet, don't worry. I work with fantastic mortgage specialists who can guide you through this step. Now that you know what you can afford, let's talk about budgeting. Your pre-approval amount doesn't mean you should spend the full amount. Factor in lifestyle costs, savings, and unexpected expenses. A good rule of thumb is that your monthly housing costs, including mortgage, property taxes, and insurance, shouldn't exceed 30 to 35% of your pre-tax income. Make sure you set aside money for home maintenance. One thing many first-time homebuyers don't realize is that closing costs go beyond your down payment. These can include legal fees, home inspection costs, property taxes, and title insurance. A good estimate is to set aside 1.5% to 4% of the purchase price for closing costs. If you're unsure, I can break this down for you based on your situation. Now for the fun part. Deciding what type of home suits your needs. Are you looking for a detached home with a big yard? A townhouse with less maintenance? Or a condo for low maintenance lifestyle? Make a list of must-haves versus nice-to-haves. Think about location, number of bedrooms, outdoor space, and commuting distance. I always help my buyers prioritize based on what matters most to them. When viewing homes, don't just focus on the looks. Pay attention to things like neighborhood amenities and schools, age and condition of the home, and potential repair costs. I always encourage my clients to visit at different times of the day to get a feel for the area. And of course, I'll guide you in spotting red flags before you make an offer. Once you've found the one, it's time to craft a strong offer. This includes price, deposits, conditions like financing and home inspection, and the closing date. I'll help you determine a competitive offer while making sure you're protected. And don't worry, I negotiate on your behalf to get the best possible term. Once your offer is accepted, you'll finalize your mortgage, confirm your closing funds, and work with a lawyer. I'll be by your side to ensure everything runs smoothly. Here are 3 ninja-level tricks that can make your closing day smooth and stress-free. Book utilities and internet in advance. Don't wait until moving day. Schedule your electricity, water, gas, and internet setup a week before possession, so everything is ready when you walk in. Triple check your mortgage and lawyer appointments. Make sure your lender has sent all final documents and your lawyer has everything they need. Delays can happen, and a simple check-in prevents last-minute hiccups. Pack a first night box. Have a box of essentials like toilet paper, snacks, chargers, tools, and cleaning supplies. Trust me, the last thing you want is to dig through boxes just to find your toothbrush. Possession day is finally here. You'll receive your keys and officially become a homeowner. My job isn't done yet. I'll check in to ensure everything is perfect. Buying your first home is a huge step, but with the right guidance, it doesn't have to be overwhelming. If you're ready to start your journey, reach out to me, Darcy Downey, at Trilliant Real Estate Group. Let's make homeownership a reality for you.